music students. Thank you for coming and seeing me today. We have a great lesson on Miss Mary Mac, specifically the clapping part of this game. But the reason why this clapping game is so fun is because we are learning how to read music. So let's look at our target. I can read music in standard notation. We're going to be focusing on one thing we see in music, and it is called a rest. Can you say a rest? Good. When we make music, we don't sing all the time. We don't play music all the time. Sometimes there's a space in what we do, and it's called a rest. Okay, so let's look at where the rest comes in our song, Miss Mary Mac. Okay, you are going to see little Miss Mary, there she is 4 times, and then you see barely a shadow. It's like she's not there, like she's invisible. That is our rest. That beat will still happen in the music, but you will see that we'll be quiet there because it's a rest. Our next line has an elephant and, barely a shadow, an outline of an elephant. That's also our rest. We're not going to do anything on that part. So we're going to look at what our song looks like, and I'm going to be pointing to where we are in our song. Sometimes I'm going to point, and we're going to be quiet because that's a rest. Would you like to try this with me? Good. Okay, let me make sure we're in our right key. Okay. Miss Mary Mac, 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 all dressed in black, 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 with silver buttons, 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 all down her back, back, back. Did you see where those rests were? Good job, that's amazing. Now in music, we usually don't have cute little girls in pink dresses or black dresses or elephants. We have symbols. So the next time we sing it, we're going to take a look at the symbols. When we get to make a note or sing a song, you're going to see this note. You see this green dot over Miss Mary Mac? That's our note head. And we get to sing a note 1, 2, 3, 4 times, and then you're going to see that Z. Do you see that Z? That Z, instead of a little invisible girl, it means rest. Now notice that when we see a rest in music, it's not just a Z. It actually looks like a little Z with a C hanging down. That's the way it would look in standard notation. But since we're just in first grade and we just get to learn, it's a Z. Should we try it again? Looking at where our rests are. Okay. Miss Mary Mac, 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 all dressed in black, 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 with silver buttons, 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 all down her back, back, back. How'd you do? Very nice. Okay, now that we know where the rests are and where the singing parts are, we get to make a clapping game. And the thing that makes this clapping game fun is because we're actually going to clap on the rests. So let's just warm up with a little clapping exercise. Let's go clap together, and you're going to pretend like you have a partner across from you, just like I'm pretending like you're my partner. So I'm going to go clap. Then we're going to go right hand pat, clap, left hand pat, right hand clap, left hand clap. Okay, so clap, right hand clap, left hand clap, right hand clap, left hand clap, right hand clap, left hand. How'd you do? Great. Okay, when we sing this song, what we do is we actually, at the beginning of each phrase we sing, we cross for 1. For 2, we pat. For 3, we clap our own hands. Then partner right, clap, partner left, clap, partner right, clap. Now we're going to start at the beginning again. How'd you do? Very nice. Okay, so we're going to work on singing this. Now notice that our clapping is going to happen here at this rest, here at this rest, here at the rest, here at the rest. So it's going to be fun because even though we're resting our voice and we're not saying Mac, we're clapping. It's going to be a lot of fun. I hope you notice that our claps are accenting where those rests are. Are you ready? Okay, let me give myself a chord here and we're going to sing this. Okay, let's go ahead and try. Let me move some things. Okay, are we ready? Remember that at the beginning of each one of our phrases, we're going to do a cross, pat, clap, and then we start with our partner claps. Are you ready? Okay. Miss Mary Mac, 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 all dressed in black, 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 with silver buttons, 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 all down her back, back, back. She asked her mother, 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 for 50 cents, 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 to watch the elephant, 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 jump over the fence, fence, fence. He jumped so high, 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 he reached the sky, 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 and didn't come back, 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 till the 4th of July, lie, lie. Good job, you did it. Have fun making music and doing the clapping game too, Miss Mary Mac. Goodbye.